Look at these amazing Rava Ladoos. Let's see how to make these for this Diwali.
Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Today I have a very good friend of mine, Sudha Adapalli.
Hi everyone.
She is going to show one of her favorite Diwali recipes. Do you want to tell something more about the recipe?
Yeah, thank you for inviting me, Rupali. It's a pleasure to be on your channel.
You're welcome.
Yeah, this is a very simple recipe but very close to my heart. This is what I ate growing up. My mom's recipe. It's a Rava Ladoo as we call it. And in this time and in this age where we really don't have much time, this is a really quick recipe where you can just put this together and still have that traditional, sweet feeling that you want as part of Diwali.
Wow, I can't wait to see what you're going to show. So let's start?
Yeah, sure, let's
Alright, come on.
Roast the sesame seeds until light golden. Once these are done, we will keep them aside to cool down. In the same pan, we will roast the grated coconut until the moisture dries off and they turn light golden. It took about 5 minutes. Set this aside to cool. Using the same pan, roast the semolina with ghee until fragrant, but make sure it doesn't change the color. All the roasting is on medium flame.
Now you can roast all these ingredients and keep them ready beforehand.
This is perfect. Set it aside to cool a bit. These are the roasted sesame seeds which we will grind to a powder. Perfect. Now keep it aside for a while. Now we need to fry the cashews for adding into the laddu. These will be fried until golden and then rough ground once they are cool.
Also, she had another version for the same laddu. Do you want to tell them what that was?
Yeah, sure. This itself is a very quick recipe, but you can make it even more faster with less number of ingredients. You can just use equal proportions of rava and powdered sugar and put lots of cashew nuts and any other nuts if you want to add. And just mix it up with milk and just make them in less than 15 minutes.
Wow, sounds good.
And this is my mother-in-law's version.
Oh, nice.
So, I do my mom's as well as my mother-in-law's based on the time that I have.
Oh, good. I hope you like this recipe.
Yeah, I hope so too.
Now it's time to assemble all the ingredients.
I have known Sudha for around 11 years now, and let me tell you, she's an awesome cook. I'll be bringing few more of her awesome recipes in the future, so stay tuned.
Try both her versions and let me know in the comments below which one you make and like better. Mix this well. Here she has used boiled milk at room temperature and add a little at a time to see if it's binding. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button for a lot more yummy recipes I'll be posting in the future. Now here you can also add saffron if you like. The amount of milk is approximate and you need to see how much you need to bind the ladoos. She used about 4 tablespoons of milk, but you may need more or less. Wow, these ladoos have turned out absolutely awesome. Such a quick and easy recipe. It makes about 12 ladoos with the measurement she used. Now decorate any way you like and we are done. Thank you for watching.
Wow, that was such an amazing and easy recipe. Thank you so much for sharing it with us.
I'm glad. I hope you like it.
I can't wait to try that. It's smelling so good and it looks so tempting.
You want to try one?
Sure, why not? Let's share. Oh my gosh, amazing.
You like it?
Superb. I mean, this is such an easy recipe, quick and easy, so good, really nice. I hope you guys love this recipe and try to make it for this Diwali. Thank you for sharing such a beautiful recipe and happy Diwali everyone.
Happy Diwali.
If you like this recipe, you know what to do. As usual, give it a big thumbs up and I'll see you next week. Bye.
Bye.